Today I like to show you how to change the simple faucet cartridge. Um, Actually, the difficult part is when you see this faucet, you nowhere you cannot see any screw or anything to unscrew. Okay, there is no place you cannot see to unscrew the thread or anything to take this off. This is hot and cold water sticker here, you see, blue and red. If you use with your nail, pull it, you can get it. And there is a screw inside here. If you lighten, if you put a flashlight, you can see the screw here. I already loosen it. You can unscrew with the screwdriver here. Okay, and I already unscrew this. The screw is inside here. Okay, this screw inside, you can unscrew from here. I already did that. And once you take out the top part, this is under hot and cold water sticker, the screw, you can loosen it. And next part is very difficult when you think how we take this off. Okay, this is a big chamfer here, and anyhow this is a cartridge. We have to take this out and put it new one. And the hard part, this is a hand tight only. First I took it out, I took really hard because no vice grip or anything hold here. If you have big vice grip, you can hold it and unscrew, or you can get simple form like this form. You can hold it tight and unscrew, or you can use sandpaper, hold it and unscrew. This is only hand tight. Okay, or you use vice grip, to unscrew this. Okay, because this is because of this chamfer, you cannot hold properly because of this bending. Vice grip or something, you very hard to hold. Only way you can use vice grip if you want, or use the foam to hold it, or sandpaper or something to get a good sharp holding. And this is a thread, you can use adjustable spanner, and you unscrew this from the top. Unscrew this. Okay, I forgot to tell you that you have to be all tap underneath here has to be close, both hot water and cold water, before you do anything. I forgot to tell you. Just as you know, you have to be close position both tap and check if there is a water coming here. Okay, once you close, then only you start working. Most of the people usually know that. That's what I didn't say in the beginning. And once you untie this thread, okay, this thread, then you can easily pull this off. This is old one. You see this sealing is missing, and you take this to the Home Depot. You take this Home Depot or Lowe's, any store, and show them this is a cartridge you want. That's what I did. Otherwise, if you explain, it's not going worth it. Better you take this and give it to the store customers. Customer rep, they will store rep will show you. That's what I did. Because there's so many different sizes, you need to get exactly size. And I got one. And if you buy from Home Depot or Lowe's, Home Depot or Lowe's, it is $40, and better you order Amazon. It's only $5 when you order through Amazon online. If you're going to buy this from the shop, Home Depot or Canadian Tire, it's really costly. It costs you $40-50. And this one I bought it because $40 because I was in emergency. The hot water is not working. That's what I need. I was really in need. I cannot wait order through Amazon. That's what I spent $40, $45 for this, and exactly same, look same. Okay, you have to make sure exactly look same height and everything, and you put this exactly. There is a 2 hole there, and you see this. There is a 2 hole here, and this 2 tip has to go inside. Okay, you put here, and tilt it little bit. You see little bit thread, you can catch it here. Okay, little bit thread here. If it doesn't sit properly, it won't go here. Okay, it has to be, this tip has to go inside the hole there. Okay, and go little bit down, and you can screw here. You can tie here. Okay, this little bit thread has to go in. Tight little bit hard, not very hard. If it's very hard, cartridge will break. That's it. Not very hard. Okay, little bit hard, little bit tight. That's all. And put this chamfered thread. So with only hand tight. You don't need any tool to put this. See, only with the hand tight. Use the foam or any nice grip material and tight it. Okay, that's it. And put this top part, tap top part, and look exactly align like this square, align like this, and it will open. And oh, this one hot is this side, left side. Okay, when you put this, if you put the sticker out, there is a hole here. There's a screw inside. You can use the screw to tight it and unscrew it. Okay, for me I just keep it like this for simple. Okay, put this. Okay, I'm going to open the tap. I'm going to open the tap underneath. Both the tap, hot and cold, I opened. Now you see water is cold now. This side is hot. Now is hot water. Now is hot water. This is medium. This is cold water. It is simple, and the first time I am doing it. And the only thing is a little bit tricky. There is lots of hand tight without tools. You have to untie and tie some things. That's you go to YouTube again and again if you are confused. That's it. Thank you. This is Faucet cartridge. How to change the cartridge from the faucet. Okay. Thank you. Have a great day.